What is up, YouTube? Carl here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, I am very excited to bring you my review of the Saucony collaboration with feature on the Shadow 6000 silhouette. This is the living fossil. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a brand new Yeezy Zebra courtesy of our sponsor Shoe Freak PH, as well as a Nike Epic React Flyknit the moment we hit 30,000 subscribers. Subscribe now, follow me on Instagram. But wait, there's more. Just for this video, if you leave a comment down below and if you subscribe to the channel, I will be drawing winners who will win Rastaklat bracelets. So I have a bunch of them over here. They're really cool shoelace type bracelets that I got from the Nines. They're the guys who actually sold me this pair, and they were generous enough to give me a bunch of Rastaklats to raffle away. So yeah, this is a legit giveaway. Just leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, give the Nines some love, and also follow them on Instagram as well. This is a collaboration between Saucony and Feature. Feature is a retail sneaker store based out of Las Vegas. And this is actually inspired by the Ichthyosaur. It's the dinosaur that's like the state dinosaur of the state of Las Vegas or Nevada or whatever it is. So yeah, it's inspired by that, and there are markings of the different fossil in different parts of the sneaker. Now there are elements that also resemble that dinosaur or are inspired by that dinosaur as well. Now let's talk about the sneaker. What I love about the sneaker is the amount of artistry, craftsmanship, and creativity that was put into designing and building the sneaker. This shoe has so much character. You have a mix of nubuck and suede all around the upper, and you even have some sort of reptile-like skin here, which is actually made out of leather, which is obviously inspired by the dinosaur that it was, coming from. It even has water repellent, I think, patches over here at the, at the toe box, mainly because the Ichthyosaur was supposed to be like an amphibious creature or an amphibious dinosaur. Apart from that, as you guys can see here, this is supposed to be your typical Saucony 3 dots, which is supposed to be their logo. Instead of the typical dots, they use some sort of hologram material, which is just so fire if you ask me. Again, both on the lateral and the medial side of the sneaker, as well as the strip at the back with the Saucony logo. If you go up to the middle of the sneaker, you have your rope laces in green. It does have like a brown rope lace that you can swap it out for, but you also have the logo, a fossilized logo of Saucony and Feature at the tongue tab. If you move to the midsole, you have a gradient color from black, slowly starting to become green and light green, disappearing as you go to the back of the sneaker. I love the texture of the midsole because, again, it's inspired by dinosaur skin or reptile skin. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. There you have it. So as you guys can see, you have those dots that just peppered the midsole with the Saucony logo over there. If you go down to the outsole, you have a black rubber outsole for additional traction and durability. So how is this pair on feet? As you guys can see, that thick EVA foam is hella comfortable. I mean, it's not Boost, it's not, ever run, but it still does a perfect job of giving you enough cushioning and enough comfort if you will use it as an everyday casual sneaker. I mean, at the end of the day, you buy sneakers like this mainly for the look and the unique design, but hey, the additional comfort is not a bad thing if you ask me. If you are looking for a unique casual lifestyle sneaker, this one is probably something you might want to cop, mainly because it's hella unique. Not a lot of people will rock it, not a lot of people will have it, so it's a standout, unique, rare pair, and there are only actually limited quantities that were made available here in the Philippines. If you want one, go on over to the Nines. They're a sneaker/streetwear store over at BGC Uptown Mall. They have a fantastic collection of brands. This isn't sponsored in any way. I just, chanced upon this one and ended up copying it. And I was able to convince like some of the owners to give us some stuff to raffle away in this channel. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. By the end of this week, Sunday, I'll draw a few winners and I'll give away these Rastaklat braces to the lucky winners. Oh, the pair sells for 7,700, so it's not the most cheapest sneaker that you can get. But again, the price that you pay for this one is really the design, the creativity, and the artistry that was put into the sneaker. I mean, seriously, that's one of the nicest looking green gradient sneakers with suede and nubuck. that I've ever seen. And that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure that, again, that you follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below so that you can be part of the Rastaclat raffle. Peace. God bless.